what's going on, folks, man? Welcome back to the set, where today, folks, we're gonna talk about the upcoming releases for the month of November. I think we're only gonna take it through kind of the first part of November. I think we'll go from today to November 15th. So we'll take a look at what Jordan Brand and Nike, I guess would say hype releases, are gonna be coming out within those next 2 weeks. So yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, right out the rip, bro, you already know it, man. These are one of the ones that I'm gonna have to have, but since I just came off a sneaker break or a sneaker pause, I might want to, all right, I'm not gonna backtrack on these. I'm gonna wait and see what it does, because I believe these are still gonna be available after release. If not, then I just missed the boat. But these are actually like really fire, but there's just too many pair of 11s coming out in the month of November and December, and a couple other pairs that we won't see towards the spring. But these right here are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Rare Airs, the next iteration in the Rare Air line of sneakers that they've been coming out here with in 2025. These are dope, man. These are really dope. But again, bro, I gotta be judicious about this when I do these things. So I think I might pause on these, and I'm gonna see what they do. If I hear the noise getting crazy, today it's the 3rd at the recording of this video, so we'll see, man. I don't know. I think these might still be out there and available to get later on this year. So up next, man, these Nike SB Air Max 95s. These are different, bro. These are different, and within the circles in the discords or whatever, and these have been going absolutely crazy. A lot of people are gonna want these. I want them, but I don't want them to the point where I gotta enter 8,000 raffles for them. These release on November 7th. I like everything SB is doing right now, but I don't know if I really want to go after these. I like them, but I just don't think I want to go after these. The colorway is sick, and me being a Navy vet, these colors, man, these colors really get me, bro. But Air Max 95s ain't the greatest for me. Not for me. Probably everybody else, but not for me. These aren't the best. So let me know down in the comment section how you feel about these Nike SB Air Max 95 Coston X Airs. Let me know, because I don't know, man. Again, let me know down in the comment section, bro, if I'm off my shit, because I like them. I just can't. I don't know if I can get down with them. I don't. I like the colors, love the colors, and I'm sure with SB's twist on it, every time they put their branding on something, bro, they do some modifications in these to make them dumb comfortable. But again, because they're skater shoes. So, all right, I talked myself into it. See what happens? Bro, let's on to the next one. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, I ain't gonna hit you with too many woes, because I'm sure somebody be in the comment section was like, bro, it ain't really that many woes needed for the Air Jordan 12 taxis. Yes, it is, bro. This is an iconic pair of shoes, bro. These are, all right, bro. We ain't even gotta talk about what these are. Question is, are you going to get them? Are you going to enter like 8,000 raffles to get these? Although we already know it's the GR, they're going to be, I wouldn't say tons available, but they'll be out there for you to get if you really want them. Me personally, gonna get them. Gotta have them, just because it's an iconic pair of Jordan 12s, bro. You gotta have these, bro. Have to have these. And if you don't, let me know down in the comment section why you don't, because I'm curious. to know why you don't have, okay, maybe not have to have these, maybe really want these should be what I say, right? Probably. All right, on to the next one, because those are cop. Okay, these is for the ladies, and we talked about these in a previous video. We talked about the Jordan 11s that's coming out between November, December, and sometime in the spring. These are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Pearls. Again, these are for the women's sizes only, no extended sizes. Not that any of us would have wanted these anyway with ribbons in them, but it's a decent pair of shoes, man, for the ladies. It's a nice, elegant touch to the Jordan 11, especially with the laces in these. These are actually pretty sick. So am I gonna cop them for the wife? Probably not, because I don't think she's going to like these. Again, when it comes to all white shoes and the iridescent, pearlescent, whatever you want to call it, she's more of a Converse type person. She don't even wear Air Force Ones, which is weird because she's a 90s baby, but irregardless, we're here. So we ain't copping these for the wife unless she just taps me on the shoulder and it's like, oh, I like those. Then we can probably talk. But for now, I don't think so. But they are a sick pair of shoes, and they still going for a nice ticket too. So yeah, November 8th, 11 pearls. There you go. Okay, we just gonna let them sit here. Just let them sit here, because we already know that the vast majority of people are going to have these just because it says Chicago. Okay, maybe not, but anyway, these are super sick, going on the must cop list because I am a fan of Jordan 1s, and particularly these days the Jordan 1 low OGs. I love everything about this shoe. Yeah, they could have charged $200 for these and I still would have copped these. So yeah, because we didn't on this side of the earth get the Chicago SB Dunks last year. So yeah, these are a must cop to have in the collection, period. Even though I don't need any more Chicago colored low OGs, just because that's one of those things, man. I mean, we got the trophy rooms, we got the black toe. Yeah, no, I don't need them, but I'm going to get them. So again, drop me a comment down below if you copping the low OG Chicagos in the Jordan 1 flavor, bro. Just gotta have them. I'm sorry, they gotta be. They're cop, instant cops. So see what else we got next. I think this one's bringing up the rear right here, and that's it's not by any means the worst pair of shoes by saying bringing up the rear. You get what I'm saying. But these are the AE2s in the lucid red colorway. Now, every pair of AE2s that have came out so far have been one of those colorways where I'm just like, nah, bro, we not doing that. What Adidas should have did is drop these first. They should have dropped these first, because this colorway makes the AE2 recapture some of the vibes that the AE1s did and had everybody going crazy over the AE1s. This right here is absolutely sick, and these are a must cop for me on November 8th. Boy, I can't wait to get these in, man, just so I can put my foot on them and see how they actually feel, bro, because the AE1s were absolutely ridiculous. I love that shoe. These though, I'm very curious, bro. I like the carbon fiber plates on the back. I like the design. I love the colorway of these, bro. So again, November 8th, bro. It's I think we gotta have these. Like 100%. We gotta have these. So yeah. But that's it, man. We're gonna leave it at that right there, because the rest of November is going to be crazy. We have another pair of 11s coming out. We have what everybody is looking for, man. We got the Black Cat 4s coming out, bruh. Yeah. Yep. And those they were supposed to release a lot earlier, but they're going to be the Black Friday release, which is going to drive the hype up even more. But we'll get into that in another video. But that's what we got for the next, I guess, week now, because I didn't even really touch on anything else that's releasing up until the 15th, because the Black Cats were supposed to come out on the 15th, but that was changed. So drop me a comment, man, on which one of these shoes that you actually are going to go for, and which ones you like, all right, I can wait, because late November and December got that heat coming. It's the holidays. A lot of these people ain't making no bread because of the damn federal shutdown, but I digress. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, man. I am your boy Money Matt, here on the set where we talk about sneakers and electronics and everything in between. Sure to catch me in the next one. I bid you folks adieu. Peace.